Most guys are washing their face with the same soap they use on their body and wondering why they look tired, why their skin looks rough, why other dudes just seem to look fresher. I'm going to show you the 3 things that will completely change how your skin looks in less than 5 minutes a day. I've been deep in this stuff, tested it, made the mistakes so you don't have to, and I guarantee after watching this, you will never look at your morning routine the same way. Let's get into it. Tip number 1 is what I call the invisible damage. Here's what's actually happening to your skin right now. Your face has a natural protective barrier, a thin layer that keeps moisture in and bacteria out. It's delicate, really delicate. But when you wash your face with bar soap or body wash, products designed for your arms, your back, your feet, you're destroying that barrier every single morning. Your skin dries out. It overcompensates by producing more oil. You get more breakouts, more dullness, more of that I look tired face, even when you slept 8 hours. Therefore, the fix is actually simple. Get a gentle face wash. That's it. One product under $15. CeraVe Foaming Cleanser, La Roche-Posay Gel Cleanser, both work. Use it morning and night. 30 seconds. Your skin will start looking cleaner, less red, and less oily within a week. Tip number 2 is what I call the aging thief. There is one thing silently making you look older every single day, and 90% of guys completely ignore it: the sun. But here's the thing, you don't need to be lying on a beach for UV rays to damage your skin. Walking to your car, sitting by a window, even on cloudy days, UV radiation is hitting your face, and it's breaking down your collagen, creating fine lines, making you look older faster. There was a famous photo that went viral. A truck driver who only drove with his left side facing the window for 28 years. One side of his face looked completely normal. The other looked decades older. Same person, same lifestyle, one difference: sun exposure. Therefore, wear SPF every single morning. That's it. It takes 15 seconds. Cetaphil SPF 50 doesn't feel greasy. It disappears into the skin. This one habit alone separates guys who look 25 at 35 from guys who look 40 at 28. Tip number 3 is the one most guys get completely wrong. I call it the complexity trap. Here's what happens. A guy decides to glow up. He goes on Reddit. He sees 10-step Korean skincare routines, serums, essences, toners, retinol, vitamin C, niacinamide. He spends $200, puts everything on his face at once. His skin breaks out worse than before. But here's what the research actually shows. Consistency with 3 simple products beats complexity with 10 products every single time. Face wash, moisturizer, SPF. That combination, done every day without skipping, will transform your skin in 60 days more than any expensive serum will in a year. Think about it like the gym. You don't show up with every machine in the gym on day 1. You pick the basics. You're consistent, and the results compound. Therefore, your only focus for the next 30 days is this: face wash at night, moisturizer after, SPF in the morning. That's it. Don't add anything else. Not yet. Master the basics first. Your face will thank you. In summary, face wash, moisturizer, SPF. 3 products, 5 minutes a day, 2 months of consistency. That's the glow up. No complicated 10-step routine. No $300 spending spree. Just the basics done every day, while every other guy is still using body wash on his face. If you want the full glow up breakdown, every habit, every product, every step, I post it all here. Follow so you don't miss the next one. And drop a comment. What's your current skincare routine? Even if it's nothing, I read every single one.